All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a park or a garden in your city. So you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
So I live in Lahore, and there are many parks in my city. National Park is one of them. So luckily, I live near. It's located near my house, so I can visit this park. Overall, the scenery of the park is very beautiful, and it covers the lot of big area. So I visited. It's covered a lot of the big area. It has many green. It has many big trees. There are a lot of flowers, and it's a lush green area. It's a lush green park. So I often visited with my friends and with my kids, and because there is a there's a cycle track in the park. So my younger child is who is loving to who is loving to cycling. So we went there on the evening for the we went there on the evenings for the cycle, and we went there. Usually I went there on morning. Usually I went there on the morning because for my morning walk, and whenever I got the time on the weekends, we went there and we spent some time on weekends as well.
All right, 1 minute 6 seconds. Overall, it is fine, but you need to organize your answer further and keep in mind the cues which are given in the topic. That's why we call it a cue card. Now, the first cue is when you go there, where it is, who you often go there with, what it is like, and explain why you like to visit it. So if you go according to these cues, your answer will be very well organized, and you can even use extensive vocabulary in your answer as well. Now the thing is, your topic is in the present tense. Describe a park or garden in your city. So your answer was mainly past tense. I often visited, I went there. It should have been I often visit, I
Okay,
usually go
go
there.
there.
Then you say my son who is loving. Instead of who is loving, you should say my son who loves cycling. So I go there with him as well, right? So these type of things, but your pronunciation is very clear. It's grammatical range and vocabulary. These two things you need to take care of, and the organization of your answer. So at present, I will rate you at 6, but you have the tendency to achieve 7 or above, right?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.